Here's my '07 Hooligan GSF1250. It got tipped over and tiptoed on perhaps by an F-250 pickup truck. So it doesn't look bad, right? Hey, you'd buy this. It's a blinker and a mirror. Well, until you see this crack right here. And you start looking at the forks, and the front tire don't line up. Why is the front brake leaking now? There's some pretty good gravel crammed under the rim. Minor little abrasions really there. The foot peg really isn't supposed to point that way, and it's really jammed. So that's what a totaled motorcycle looks like.